Medical malpractice cases, by their very nature, are very expensive to prosecute. Between the retaining of medical records, the analysis of medical records, the engagement of medical experts, in many instances, many different medical experts, the cases are exponentially more expensive to prosecute than might be an automobile accident or something along those lines. Without Esquire Bank, we wouldn't really be able to do that for as many people as we could.
The challenges that a trial lawyer faces are growing every day, and a lot of them are based on the costs of what we do. Doing medical malpractice work, we deal with medical experts on every case, and the costs continue to go up. When justice becomes too expensive, justice is going to be denied, and we're trying to avoid that for our clients. Since we've partnered with Esquire Bank, we've been able to better utilize the case line of credit to spend on our client's case to battle against those large corporations on the other side.
A good bit of the work that we do is on medical negligence cases, and they tend to be some of the most, highly contested, hard-fought, expensive cases that there are. And so it's really helpful to have somebody to help you to keep these cases all going. Allows us to make sure that our clients are, getting the best representation and have the best chance to win their cases.
Because of the strategy that a lot of hospitals and insurance companies employ, which is to delay these cases as long as possible, hold on to their money as long as possible, that puts financial strains on us and our client. One of the most profound, in my experience, was the case for Bradley Metz. We were up against 3 different sets of defense lawyers, all of whom hired tons of experts. At the end of the case, there were 42 total defense experts that we had to get reports from, take depositions of, and ultimately try to make our case against. Things like that are what drive up the costs of what we do. So it's really important to have a partner where we can utilize lines of credit and other tools that they have to continue to pursue that case as long as it takes to seek justice for our clients.
Esquire Bank helps us level the playing field because almost uniformly in the cases that we handle, the opposition is a massive international insurance company or a huge hospital system that has unlimited resources to fight the cases that we fight. It's been night and day, the change in terms of our ability to fight those cases.
If a loved one dies at the hands of a doctor as a result of medical malpractice, trial lawyers are there to do something about it and to make sure it doesn't happen to anyone else in our community. Our partnership helps us fight for justice every single day.
The biggest impact for us is our ability to invest in our cases without fear of our resources limiting that investment. In our particular area of expertise, there is a lot of investment in our cases in order to succeed. Esquire Bank lets us succeed.